This is by far my favorite multi-tool. It is a Craftsman. It comes with a nice pouch. And what I like about this is it has regular pliers on it. That's the most useful part about that. As on this side, this is like, I don't know what this is. This is a has an edge right here. I'm not sure what that is. What do you call that part? This is another good reason for this this multi-tool. How do you get it to move? That's a good question. It has a socket in there with a Phillips screwdriver right now. That's very handy. That flips all the way down straight. Once I figure it, I haven't used it for a long time. Over on this side, has a nice selection of items. First, start with a nice file. And a saw. And a can opener. Nice little blade. And another little blade right there. And a little chisel. But the pliers are the most handy thing about it. And you know, most of the multi-tools have a needle nose plier on it. I don't think I've ever used a needle nose in my life. And that just happens to be a good pair of pliers. And I can't figure out quite how to get the let's see. I don't know about that one, but that's its Craftsman. And I don't know if they still make them or not. I bought two of them when I got my first ones. I used it for years. It's very handy.
Thanks for watching. Take care.